Welcome to the video. If you saw the video on Monday, this is the Chromebook I ordered in that essentially for half price from Curry's clearance on eBay in the UK. So please do check that video out if you haven't already seen it to see how much I paid and hopefully for some tips to save you money on tech or other purchases in the future. It's a grade B very good refurbished Chromebook as you guys voted for me to buy over the grade C good refurbished condition one, so thanks I think. Let's see. So no original box for this one, but you'll see the original plug and charging brick are included. To give you guys an idea of the key spec, it's a 14-inch convertible Chromebook with a full HD touchscreen that supports input from the garaged USI stylus that it comes with. It's got the MediaTek Companion 520 processor, aka the MT8186, 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Chrome OS updates are through to June 2033. The Chromebook itself seems in very good condition. You might spot a smudge on the lid in the unboxing, but that wiped off using a microfiber cloth and a bit of cleaning spray, but I can see this one maybe showing up fingerprints more easily. There is just one very small scratch I've spotted on the rear right side corner. The overall condition though is great as expected, and initial impressions of the Chromebook seem pretty good too. A nice array of connectivity, it's convertible of course, and it's got its built-in party piece of the garaged USI stylus. There's a fair few reminders and similarities to the ASUS Chromebook Plus CX34 that I've had on the channel, so the kind of speckled and textured design on the back, but I can tell it's not as premium as that one. By the way, if you want to see other refurbished Chromebooks I've unboxed and reviewed on the channel, I'll put the playlist in the pinned comment and description. It was already well charged, so I got set up with my test user. It was running version 121 of Chrome OS from February this year, and it looks like from the information on the bottom of the Chromebook that it was manufactured in January this year, so a really new Chromebook. I checked the battery cycles and it had just one, so very little use. So thanks for voting for this one. It looks decent to me, but let me know what you think in the comments. Please do consider subscribing if you're not already, and either way ensure you have the bell tick so you get notified when I upload. That way you'll hear about the full review of this as soon as I upload it, and in the meantime here's another video from the channel for you to check out.